You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. Hey, to the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know.
Nag-start yung love story namin. That was science subject. Tapos ang sabi niya, ay, napalingon siyang ganon. Ay, kalago ng Kate, ne? Sabi niya ganon. Tapos, alam ko, joke lang yun. Kasi nagbibiroan lang sila.
Tapos, ang nangyari is, dahil una, peke-peke lang. Pero hanggang sa nagtagal, nagkatotoo yung nararamdaman nila para sa isa't isa. Short, they are high school sweethearts.
At ngayon din ang araw na binigay ni Lord para tayo ay maging isa. I thank God always for your wonderful life. At hindi ako magsasawang magpapasalamat sa Panginoon dahil ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin.
Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Samuel is the name on the Bible whose son and an answered prayer of Hannah and Elkanah. And today, the Samuel in front of me is also my answered prayer.
Come between you and me. This love we got is deeper than oceans. My heart is yours and you know.
Sabi ko, Lord, nung yan po talaga para kakoy Samuel, I am willing to surrender it all to you. Then, tada! God answered yes.
I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Nangangako akong mamahalin ka ng tapat. Hanggat nabubuhay ako, mamahalin kita for better and for worse, in sickness and in health, for richer and for poorer, till death do us part. You're the only one. I love you.
Promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
12 years ago, I answered the man who courted me back when we were in high school. And today is finally here, marrying the one that I love and the man who will be with me for the rest of my life.
Basta man maluwat na panahon. Salamat. Pare kayo lugod na bepag yung
Ako lang. Kaya, masaya ang uling. First time mo ay expressing.
Lagi kang pasalamatan ng Ginoo. Ikaw yung may ginterari ko.
Sam, di ba, mag-aaral aking Holly. Tapos, inggewaning meto nga yung kaluguran ko talaga. Naglaram niya, sabi na yan, amo ka nung dilik yung patyo. Ing meto nga lalaki, isam, syempre, may glory ah. Inggewa na ruguning kapatad tamong lalaki. Pinulay yun. Dahil saan? Kalaraman na ruguning. Because of love, syempre, because of love. Kasi, nandun yung pag-aalala niya kay Kate. So, doon na lang natin talaga nakikita na the right talaga. The one talaga si Sam.
After our high school, naghiwalay kami. I mean, naghiwalay yung school namin. I mean, hindi kami parehong school. Holy Angel siya, tapos ako, PSA. So, hindi ganun kadali. Tapos, ang alam ko kasi, walang forever. So, pinipush ko siya na, sige, mababay ka, Ken. Karakal babae, Ken. Pero hindi. Naging faithful siya, tsaka naging loyal siya sa akin. And I always pray for him naman. Kaya siguro yun yung naging isa sa mga recipe. Kaya hanggang ngayon, tumitibay kami. We are praying for each other.
Brother Samuel and Kate, I now pronounce you husband and wife. At para pakita mo ang tunay at wagas mong pag-ibig, alikan mo si Kate.